because I need your guys' help. It's because I feel like I'm dropping the ball. I want to do a free driveway clean. I might do another one. Good morning, YouTube. Happy Thanksgiving. This is actually the day, Thanksgiving. You can tell. It's pretty quiet. Not a creature is stirring. Just these birds. A couple of these ibis come every day. I do feed the birds, guys. I don't care. They shit on some stuff. I like it. I like when they come around. They do eat a lot of bugs. There we go. He's landing. Look. They all come at different times, different birds. I got crows that come through and all that. But really, I'm firing up this camera just to touch base with everybody. It's been hard lately with the video editing. I know you guys have heard me complaining about my computer in the past, but she's toast. I am going to be able to upload this video. That's why I'm doing this. I am shooting on my phone right now. I haven't been shooting on my phone for the last 3-4 videos. I have multiple videos shot one yesterday. My computer's done, so Black Friday's tomorrow. I am going to be ordering a new computer. I cashed in my YouTube money finally when it got up to enough, and you guys know these things aren't cheap, so it's not that I just don't care, it's just that I can't. I am recording. I am stacking up videos, and I hate that when they're late. Like, I don't want to ever have a video sitting on a file for more than 2 weeks before I release it, but it's just what it is. I am here working on I'm using this so much that I have to do maintenance on my tripod. This thing's falling apart. I don't know if I got to buy a new one or what. But lately, guys, I've been all type of new mounts, new POVs with the new camera, because I got these mounts so I can go ahead and mount it on my surface cleaner. I do mount it on my gun a little bit. But I'm trying, guys. I know my videos were just getting stagnant. And I see these other guys, these other pressure washers that don't get the views. And it's like, I was trying to figure it out. But, guys, it's just, I'm doing the same old stuff. So you guys will notice in the next couple videos that I drop that I'm changing it up. I'm trying to be a little bit artistic with it. I did do the silent video, and that didn't really hit well, so we probably won't be doing many of those. I probably will do another 1 or 2 over the time because it was fun. But we'll just chalk that up as it was AI. That was AI, guys. That wasn't me. You know I can't turn on the camera without talking crap. So one of the reasons I turned this camera on this morning is because I need your guys' help. Bottom line. I need your help. I want to do something for the holidays, give back a little bit. I want to do a free driveway clean. It's got to be close, within 20-30 minutes of me. The criteria for this job is, this could be your mother, this could be your grandmother, whatever. It's got to be an elderly. It's got to be a bad driveway. It's got to be really bad, guys. I'm going to do it absolutely free, but we are going to put it on YouTube. So that's one of the things. They have to be all right with me filming and put it on YouTube. And they have to be elderly, fixed. It doesn't have to be, but I know, I like to take care of the elderly. I know, there's a lot of single mothers out there, but there's single fathers too, you know what I mean? So we don't know all the backstory of those situations, and I'm not the one that wants to even try to get involved in any of that. So we're going to bypass someone taking advantage of me and a free service, and we're just going to go ahead, and it's going to be elderly. So guys, if you're watching this, you're in my area, holler at me, text. I want to see the pictures of the driveway. So there's my number. You guys see it right there. This could be Kissimmee, Davenport, Haines City, certain parts of Claremont, whatever. Call me, guys. That's what I want to do. I want to do a free driveway clean. But that's the criteria. It has to be an elderly. The driveway has to be bad. You have to send me pictures beforehand. I don't want to do oil stains. We don't do oil stains. And that's it. So guys, help me out. Let's get this thing. Who knows if everything goes good and I feel really good about it, you know what I mean? I might do another one. So guys, go ahead. That's why I'm putting this out now. I want to do it. I don't want to wait till the last second right when we get by Christmas, because stuff gets hectic and I just don't want to be bogged down. So that's the first thing that we're going over today. Second thing is, I mentioned it in my video yesterday, but I've been having a lot of problems, guys, with my website. All of a sudden, these guys, I just wish I could tell you guys the name of these companies and stuff. Comment down below, guys. How do you guys drink your coffee? You put cream, you put sugar, or do you drink it black? Comment down below. I want to know how you guys drink it. Also, comment down below and tell me how you think I drink it. I love coffee. I'm a coffee drinker. That's my 4th cup, but that will be the last one of the day. I got to get this stuff edited. She's in there fixing food. It's one of them days. If I don't get this done now, man, I'm going to be bogged down later with doing stuff, getting stuff ready. But I had to come out here and do this because I feel like I'm dropping the ball. I feel like you guys think I don't give a damn, but that's not the case. I'm having tons of fun doing it. I say it in every video. If I wasn't having fun, I wouldn't do it, because guys, if I get 1,000 views, I make like $12 or $13. That's God's honest truth. That's why it took so long for me to get this $700-800 to get a computer. You know what I mean? And these computers aren't cheap. And yes, I do have to have a laptop, because who the hell wants a desktop? You know, like, I hate sitting at a desk. So a desktop would definitely not be the answer for me. But yeah, you guys can see I got the ladder in there. I came home from washing yesterday and had to go out and do maintenance for a management company that I met through pressure. Look at the rabbit, guys. Freaking rabbit just ran by. Anyways, management company that I got from Google Lead for pressure washing, hit it off with them, and now I'm running maintenance calls. The traffic right now here, no go. It's like whenever Thanksgiving comes and whenever Christmas comes and you live around here, you literally have to treat it like it's a hurricane, guys. Stock up on water, stock up on groceries, and you ain't going nowhere. The only difference is you don't really have to put boards on your windows. You could if you want to, and you don't want to look out and see all this congestion, but we don't put boards on our windows. We just got curtains. But for real, guys, you can't move around here right now. Going to change a smoke detector battery last night took me 2 hours. I'm gonna tell you right now, it took 5 seconds to pop the battery in and reset it. It's just, there's no room here, guys. There's no room here. And you'll see that in these last couple videos that I put out, I'm talking about how me and my wife are done. We're ready to leave. We're done with this area. Congestion. It's affecting the quality of life. The amount of pressure washers that are in my area is, it's just stupid when I look online and see the numbers. So it's like, yeah, can you make it? Hell yeah, you can. And I'm doing okay, guys, but this is taking too long, and I can see that it's not going to get any better. It's just getting worse. It's just going to get worse. And then what do you wait till the last second and it's too late? So don't know what's going to happen with that. We are done here. We're over it. It's gotten to the point where we can't go anywhere. So I'd love to get earlier starts when I'm pressure washing, but if I leave the house early, I'm just going to sit in traffic and get there at the same time. So it's like, what's the freaking point, you know? But that's what I fired it up for. That to tell you that we got an email 3 weeks ago in October that the company that made our website, we had all this falling out with them, lost a lot of money, got ripped off. Anyways, we haven't been, I think it's been almost 2 years. At least over 18 months since we've done any business with them. We've just been running on the website that we bought. No more SEO. They're not really doing maintenance. Well, then all of a sudden, it was like, damn, we're not getting any website leads. Like, I notice every little thing. Like, every little detail, I notice it. And I'm not going to sit here and act like, dude, we were getting all type of website leads, because I don't. But I get some, and I wasn't getting any. So we did some tests. We tried to do some inquiries, had some friends. Nothing was going through. We reached out to this dude that emailed us a few weeks ago that says he is now taking over the company, this and that. So what that means is he bought all their leads because they ran it into the ground. Everybody realized it was a scam. This guy has now popped back up on YouTube doing SEO for another, it might be personal fitness. I don't even know what it is, but he's popped up now and he's doing it again for another honestly, I don't know what it is. It's something to do with working out. Once I saw it, I obviously didn't watch the video, guys, but I just saw like a thumbnail or something, and I'm like, he's back. Well, they sold to this dude, and he's like, oh yeah, I could see we got problems here. We're going to have to do some maintenance on your website. Let's go ahead and get you a package set up and get a number right. And my wife ain't playing that, so she shut him down. Told him that wasn't the deal, that we were supposed to have our website for life, even after the thing, and if we ever needed help, it would be free. And then back and forth, and then he's like, okay, well, I guess I'm going to have to take your word for it. That right there, he doesn't even know us. What do you mean you're going to take our word for it? So, they're trying to scam again. I feel like I'm screwed with my website because I don't think we have the domain name. I don't think we own it. They got us like that, so I'm in a predicament there. Rule number one, though, guys, don't panic. I don't panic. I feel like everything happens for a reason, and when I figure out what's going on with this, we'll get it sorted. I'd love to have a sit-down with you, bro. That ain't gonna happen, you know what I mean? The real scammers just sit back in the shadows and push buttons, you know? Talk fast, talk smooth. If you do see them, everything's shiny and clean. Those are the ones you got to watch out for, guys. But, guys, I'm going to get off here because I guarantee you she's in there like, where the hell is he? He was supposed to be peeling potatoes. I haven't even got the stuff out, so they're ready to eat, too. Thanksgiving. Everybody wants to eat. So, guys, thank you for locking in with me. I promise you this computer, I'm going to have it by next week. We're rolling full speed. Stay tuned. Lock in. Peace.